So hello everyone, this is Tibor from WeTradeFX, and today we'll be together looking at some altcoins and how I trade these altcoins during this altcoin season, because I think it's really simple, and I see many people just, one guy was messaging me that he was buying 1 month ago when it make like over, it was I think more than 400%. 1 month ago, how much did you do? Breakout, yeah, like 600%, and he was like, I'm buying 1 month ago and I'm losing, and I was like, what? Why would you buy into something like this? I'm not selling that this doesn't have potential to go more up, because when a breakout occurs, it's real strong. The 1 month ago looks still like there can be some bull moves soon here, but this has already seen a move. Why would you chase a coin that has already seen a move when you can seek a coin that is at this level and the risk is much lesser? That's why many people asking me, hey Tibor, so should I can I go to Omisego? Can I buy Omisego? And I'm like, he's like, can the Omisego go more up? And I'm like, you can buy Omisego, and yeah, it may go still up, but the risk and reward ratio it's really bad into this when there are so many opportunities. So let's take a look, for example, at BAT. Again, one thing about altcoins that we are considering for our signal is resistance area. When the price is in resistance area, in the really strong resistance area, for example, how BAT has been, this is when you need to be aware, like, okay, the price is in resistance area, we are an altcoin, there's very likely to break. One thing that you need to see as a confirmation or breaking out is an RSI being about 60. This is a priority. This is something that you have to see. Even at a 5-minute time frame, each time the price goes above 60, we can see a strong spike up, and this same applies for all time frames. So if you take a look at daily, okay, so where the RSI is at, it's making new highs. You can see, recent highs. I don't consider all time highs, but recent highs. This is what matters the most, the recent highs. And so again, is it 75? Is this bearish? It is bullish? It's bullish. It's bullish as long as daily is about 60. That's my level, and it works so well. So yeah, but again, bullish, but there was a over 50% move. It can still go higher, but this is not where we are looking for. I longed BAT a few days ago. Let me just find out. Yeah, here, because I've seen some good formation. Again, about it was testing resistance area. So if we click play, you can see I took my profit here at this line. So it was only 10%, but still something, right? Then I move it, of course, to another altcoin. And let's move on. For example, I know Dash. How Dash looks like. We need to see like a clear, Bitcoin, perfect example. We see this is a really strong resistance area, and we are currently, let's take a look at the RSI. So RSI is about 60. That's one mark. That's at 70. Okay, looks very good to me. So weekly for Bitcoin, very good. Looks very nice. Do I have something hidden? No. Looking at the daily, how this looks like. Yeah. So this is funny. I made this trend line during my Bitcoin analysis. I'm not sure if I can find now, but never mind that. I made this line, this uptrend RSI line, when the RSI was somewhere here, and it's actually, you see it was my prediction and went, so it found the support on the uptrend. That's a real good sign. It's below 60. I would consider like not the best, but as long as it doesn't drop below 40, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin because we have uptrend, and the RSI is about above 40, which is like the neutral bullish zone. If we are, for example, in downtrend, the 60 to 40 would be like neutral bearish zone, but that's for other topic or maybe other video. So on the 4-hour, we can see again, this is our RSI resistance area. Now here we can see a head and shoulders formation, or inverted head and shoulders formation, and my buy signal would be again strong, very bullish on 1 hour, but on a 4-hour I would like to see the price or the RSI also peak about 60 to show a really strong sign, or give me a bullish another bullish confirmation. So Bitcoin very bullish also at the daily time frame. I spotted this a few days ago. We have a flag. Many people say, yeah, Tibor, but this is a bear flag. This is going to break down, But I'm like, no, this is a flag, and the flag goes with the trend, if that makes sense, right? So when this flag gets printed out, but as the MS can tell you, we're an uptrend, the flag is like 90% likely to break up. So I'm expecting a strong move up from Bitcoin. I'm not sure how altcoins will react to this, because as you may know, when Bitcoin is going when Bitcoin is quickly rising, the altcoins are usually bleeding, and I expect Bitcoin really to show us strong moves this week or next week. I mean, by the look at, it looks like this week, maybe at the latest the next week. I think we are going to see some increase in Bitcoin's value, at least to maybe $15,000 per Bitcoin, and even very likely it can hit $20,000 by the look at it. I mean, as long as the RSI doesn't find on the weekly resistance here. But now let's try to focus on the subject I want to talk about again was the how to profit from altcoins during this old season. So first of all, we need to seek some coin that has found that is testing resistance. For example, Tezos. This is one bullish coin. You can see Tezos. This is Tezos resistance area, right? So again, it was broken, retested. This is your perfect buy spot. You can buy Tezos, and you can get now around 17%, because this is a clear pattern that when the resistance gets broken, it usually gets retested. I mean, this is more like a weak trend when it gets retested, but it's a good confirmation when there is a good move out of the resistance area. Let's try to look at some more clear resistance area, so I can see an example. Again, a Bitcoin Cash, broken resistance area, but we are looking again at Ethereum. You can see broke the resistance area. Seller, WeChain, XLM, Yoast, Binance Coin. Can you show us anything? Maybe like this area, but okay. I think we got it. ONT is the one. So again, really strong resistance area. I would maybe put it like this. So if the price of ONT is going to enter this area with a full candle being closed above 91 cents, I think it's a very good time to get into ONT, because it's very likely to break this resistance, and the RSI of weekly suggests yes, we are bullish. So, and I would be looking looking for some 50% move if you are, let's say you long or you bad at the middle of the area is like around 50%. And also Zilliqa, we were talking about it a few days ago. It's still in this cup and handle pattern. I'm still expecting a breakout, so that's one way to go if you want to have a less risk. Also Neo, yeah, we were talking about it at the start of the video. Monero, Lisk, again, I made an analysis on Lisk. Nano, yeah, also breaking out. Again, you see strong resistance area broke, and this just can't continue because Nano had a really strong price. Again, Link broke a resistance area and has seen a crazy move, and so one of my tip, again, like for example this resistance area again broken, and the price is broken up. So one tip I can give you is just don't FOMO into the breakouts. Like if there was like 10% move and the price broke the resistance area, go for it, buy it. But if there was like a 50-60% move, it's still late, and the risk cover ratio is not good enough to, I mean, it's not good enough just overall. So yeah, I mean, as I said, the best thing to look out for now on this market would be patterns and testings of resistance areas, because they are very likely to get broken or or BAT. So for example in BAT I will be looking at this resistance area. This looks like we have an ascending triangle here, so the best buy would be to buy this uptrend line, and because I think BAT has costed, I think it was $2. I'm not sure. Let me check it out real quick. BAT USD. How much did you cost? BAT. So let's put a max. No, almost $1. Yeah, almost $1. So yeah, never mind that. I hope this video was somehow informative and of course educational. I hope I give you good tips on how to profit in this alt season, and also I hopefully have shown you how good Bitcoin looks like these days. And yeah, I mean, this is going to be a crazy run for sure. So get your bags, and I'll be seeing you some other day. Until then, bye.